What is LinkedIn Learning? LinkedIn Learning is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and video tutorials to help individuals develop and enhance their professional skills. Which courses does LinkedIn Learning provide? LinkedIn Learning provides a vast library of courses covering various topics such as business, technology, creative skills, data science, software development, web development, project management, finance and accounting, photography, and many more. LinkedIn Learning as career advancement resource. LinkedIn Learning provides resources beyond courses. You can find expert-led videos, career tips, insights from industry leaders, and guidance on various career-related topics. These resources can help you refine your career goals, enhance your job search strategies, and develop the skills needed for career. LinkedIn Learning courses. Pricing. LinkedIn Learning offers both paid and free courses. These free courses can be accessed without a subscription, allowing users to explore and learn specific topics or skills at no cost. Top 5 courses of digital marketing on LinkedIn Learning. Content Marketing Foundations by Brian Honigman. Online Marketing Foundations by Brad Batesole. Google Analytics Essential Training by Corey Kauberg. Digital Marketing Research by Adrian Britz. SEO Foundations by David Booth. If you want to watch more informative videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.